In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to disable login hints in WordPress login error messages. WordPress shows error messages when someone enters an incorrect username or password on the login page. These error messages can be used as a hint to guess a username, a user email address, or a password. To disable these error messages and display something else, in your dashboard, go to Appearance. Then click on Theme Editor. Then click on Functions.php. And scroll to the bottom of the code. Make sure you have a recent backup of your website in case something happens. That way you can restore the backup. Paste this piece of code here. Then click on Update File. Now I'm going to log out of my site. And when I enter a wrong username or password, the error message says something is wrong instead of the earlier error messages. This is how you can disable login hints in WordPress login error messages. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.